Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I've got an issue where I've had some of these JBL Eon 612 PA speakers have gone out on me. I have owned several of these units, this exact same model. To date, I've had 3 fail on me. So I didn't see a video on YouTube kind of explaining this repair process. Me being just a Joe Schmo with very limited electrical knowledge, I thought I would try to do this little video to see if it might help somebody out there, because it was a little bit of a challenge trying to kind of like investigate what parts needed to be maybe switched out, what the problem was. So with this particular speaker that we're looking at right here, there was complete power loss. So when you hit the switch, I mean, it's completely dead, no power at all. I had another one with the exact same issue, which was under warranty, fortunately. So I sent it back to JBL and they're going to replace it with a new speaker. So good job, JBL, for honoring your item. This one was past the manufacturer's warranty, so I'm kind of SOL on that. So that was the issue with this guy here. This other one, I've already removed the back. It's the same exact model. This guy here, it had power. And actually the tweeter was working fine, but there was no audio coming from the subwoofer. I took the entire back piece off and connected it to a known working speaker, and it had the exact same issue, which leads me to believe that it's not the subwoofer, but it's in fact something in the power amp, okay? So what I did was I ordered this part right here that sits on top. It is called a JBL Eon amp board, and it came from the speaker exchange I got online. This piece was $145. Now, it's not the entire assembly. What you get is this is the old piece. So basically they send you an exact replica of this. This piece is the power amp assembly, and it comes with this little metal chassis, and that is gonna sit on top of this other unit here. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of spin it a little bit so you can see. So underneath there, this is like your switch where you plug in your electrical cord. Okay, now to remove it, this piece right here, there's a little like connector which you just squeeze and remove, and then it looks like you've got some ground wires over here. You can see those 2 wires that are going underneath the board, and they connect through those white cloths to the switch. Those have to be unsoldered, and then I'm gonna have to solder this new piece in, okay? So bear with me a second. I'm gonna solder this, and then I'll be back when we're gonna hook it up and test it and see if it fixed the problem. Okay, we have the, there we go. We have the new connection soldered in. Right here. So right here and here, we have the connection soldered. Now, when we go to connect it to the speaker and test it, the Bluetooth is going to screw into this port here. Then we have a little red and black. It's going to connect here. And then on the other board to this piece, I believe that is where, sorry, I'm moving the camera a little bit here. That is a yellow cable that's going to go there, and then this one we're going to have like the green cable is going to plug in right here. So yellow here, green goes here, then we have like a black and red, and then we have the Bluetooth. So we have the Bluetooth connection here. And I think that, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's the crossover, I'm not sure. Then we have your other speaker connections here. Boom, using our quick connects. Okay, time to test it. So I've got one speaker hooked up, so as you can hear, maybe in the background there, got on a low volume. I've got, when we're starting it up, I've got all the signals turned down, so I don't know if the phone will focus, but everything's turned down. Here's my gain, and here's my master volume, so to speak. All right, so I'm gonna turn it to the on position. Okay, looks like we got power, that's good. Now it's going through a little boot up process. Okie dokie. Boom. All right, so let's see. Now before the tweeter was working and no sub, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna give it a little signal. Yes, sub is working. All right, so that is our repair, successful. I'm gonna try the same process on the other speaker, and hopefully we get the same result. All right, fantastic. Hopefully this helped you guys out.